miss her, say I don't love her. I'm trying to tell my girl she's worrying for nothing. She says we stand up from each other, like we're so distant, like there's something missing. Is there something I can do to fix us? 'Cause you are my superwoman. I was your Superman. Yeah. Never ever thought that love would ever let us feel this way. 'Cause on the outside, never perfect on the inside. I want you to be my superwoman. I'll be your Superman, yeah. She say I don't listen, miscommunication. Girl, I swear you never find a man that would be more dedicated than me. What would it take for you to see what I see? Girl, you got the homie, nothing less than everything. Oh, why this gotta be so dramatic, like the world's a stage and shit? 'Cause you know I love you, and you know I'm for you. Girl, you know I'm down for you, I'm right for you. Baby, please tell me what to say, yeah. You are my superwoman. I was your Superman. Yeah. Never thought that love would ever let us feel this way. Why do we feel this way, yeah? On the outside, never perfect on the inside. I want you to be my superwoman. I'll be your Superman, yeah.
They say she never complain about the way that things they used to be, but then me forward to the future, it be killing me. What I got for now is just an opportunity to show the best of me, so she can really see, baby. Let's walk it, talk it out. Me never gonna let you walk on out. I swear I with me, homie. Never wanna see it break apart. We ride on side beside me. Never gonna let today go by that I don't tell you. I want you to please me.
Superwoman, I was your Superman.